Yorba Linda's median tops $1.5 million. That's no Eastlake Village home. In June, detached homes ran about $1,526,778. Townhomes hit $975,189. Eastlake Village holds more than one type, so the citywide number won't fit. About 2,240 homes sit here, built from the late 70s through 2005. That's nearly 3 decades of construction under one community name. 2 homes a block apart can differ sharply. The broader market showed a $1,389,000 median and 34 days on market in June, with prices down about 1.6% year over year. 3 months of supply sits near neutral, but 37.3% still sold above list at 100.25% of asking. Strong listings move fast. Here's what matters. This market moves when condition and price line up right. Before you write an offer, verify 4 things: HOA dues in writing, the parcel's fire zone, real community comps, and school assignment. 2 items aren't in the public record here: current HOA dues and per-phase floor plans. Don't build an offer around a listing page. Want closed sales from inside Eastlake Village, not a citywide average? The full guide is linked below at gotowendy.com.